This is my last question. You need to be careful with your answer.
Yes.
Okay? Do you find me beautiful today than yesterday?
That's a trick question.
Yeah.
I found you the most beautiful yesterday.
And today?
Today, you're stunning.
Stunning.
Yes.
So it means I'm more beautiful?
Yesterday. Oh my God, you were so beautiful yesterday. Everybody should have seen a picture of you yesterday.
So how about today? I'm ugly.
No, you're not ugly.
So you mean I'm more beautiful yesterday than today?
Yesterday you were more
Look at me now.
So you're laughing because you know.
You're not good.
I am. Yesterday we were going out on a date, and today we are not. So girls always put more effort in.
That
when they
is
go
your
for dates.
safe answer?
Yes. Shall I phone
I
a
think
friend?
it's not.
What?
You need to answer. Nothing different.
Yeah, I did answer.
You are beautiful yesterday and today.
Yes, but you said I can only pick one. So
That is a tricky question. You need to be.
yes, and I said it's a trick question. You can't do that.
You're always choosing. So I'm more beautiful yesterday than today.
Yes, correct. You should be content in
I'm
that.
not happy with that answer.
Oh my God, no pleasing a woman. Now, if I said,
I'm a man.
no, if I said, right,
Mhm.
you're more beautiful today than yesterday, you'd be like, what? I was ugly yesterday. Ah.
I should answer to be safe if I am a man. I will not say no. You are beautiful yesterday and you are more beautiful today.
No, if you were a man, you'd think like me. You're thinking
Safe?
like a woman.
Not your partner to be angry with you with that answer.
I think everybody's partners are always angry with their men.